Hi nail art lovers, welcome back to my channel and to another video where you watch me do my own nails like most of the videos. Today's video is on the Saturday stamping challenge, where it's an Instagram challenge where they give a theme and you just do a set of nails. Now I have done a lot of these, but I have never done a video for any of them. The theme on this one is books. So at the moment I have 2 coats of this LMP purple hollow polish on my nails, and it's called Kings and Queens, and isn't it just delightful? I just love hollows, as you know. So to get the book images on my nails, I'm going to use 2 bundle monster plates. I'm going to use this unicorn one here because I absolutely love this image here with the book in the center of all the potions and the floral and all, and this is L045. Now they also have a school plate, L06 floor, and they have loads of books on that one here and a few stacked with a hat, but I think I will just use this one here and the real floral one. So I will just stamp them quickly onto a stamper head, and I will colour them in using regular polishes in different colours. So I will stop talking and let you watch me work. In the meantime though, I'm just going to put some white stuff down to stop my lovely purple background getting destroyed. I did have glass, but the camera light was reflecting off the glass, giving an awful glare on a lot of my videos, so I had to pull that one. So guys, let's get to it. So I'm going to hit the bottle in white, and we're going to stamp it white for a change. And there is our image, nice and crisp. And I'm just going to clean up all the edges, but I'm just going to put it over the nail, just without stamping it, just to see how much I would need to colour in. So the book and the flower fit, and I'm wondering, could I spread it across 2 nails without destroying the book? Well, let's try. We'll put it across 2 nails without try not to destroy the book. So we are going to allow that to dry, and then I am actually going to paint over what I've painted with just white polish, just so the colours don't get muted when I put them on my nails. Now I do probably think it might have turned out a little bit better if I had it stamped in black, but I wanted to go down the white road just for a change. I do like it though, so let's just let that dry and stamp in the white, or colour it in the white. So while that's drying, we'll go ahead and we'll do the book image, and we will colour them in using the same colours just to blend all the design in together. Again, with this one, we will colour over them with white once it's dry. Now that looks a bit awful, but when you turn it around the other side, which you can't see now because I have it in a bling stamper, when you turn it around the other side, it'll be the same as it was before. And when you put it on your nails, it won't get all muted out with that dark hollow polish that I have there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply this to 2 of my nails, which will give it that tacky layer. It's a clear polish, but it goes, it kind of stays tacky. And it'll allow that decal that I just made to adhere to the nail. And let's hope that it spreads perfectly across the 2 the way I want it to do. Okay, so it didn't work. It all came off on the one nail, but that's okay. We can still see the bubble. So I will clean up and you can see the finished look. So here are the finished nails. Now if you actually want to put the decal across the 2 nails, what you would do is you would paint clear polish over the decal, allow that to dry, and then peel the decal off the stamper head, cut it in half and put it on the 2 nails that way. Now as you can see, I've decided to use the end that was on this the potion that was on the end of the book to put on this nail here. But these are the final nails, guys. What do you think? Do you like them? And would you like to see more inspirational and other type of challenges from Instagram on my nails? If you want to click the little circle here, you'll be able to subscribe to me. So until the next one, stay safe. We'll see you soon. Bye.